Hey, welcome back to my channel for today's presentations on Precalculus Quarter 1, Week 1, last one about the conic sections. In this video lesson, we illustrate the different types of conic sections. So these are the parabola, circle, ellipse, and the hyperbola. At ipapakita din natin kung paano nabuo ang mga curves from the intersections of a plane and a cone. Meron din tayong ibang pamamaraan for a plane and a cones to intersect. Ito ay tinatawag na degenerate conics. So ito yung mga figures for this degenerate conics. So these are the 1 point, and we have also the one line, and we have the two lines intersecting each other. So walang particular class of curves na buo dito. So let us deepen our knowledge or understanding on the conic sections. And it is also known as conics. So ibig sabihin nito, the particular class of curves obtained by the intersection of plane, the yan nating plane, and a cone. So this is our figure for the cone. Para sa kaalaman natin, conics can be found in nature and have many application in other fields. Conic section can be identified as circles, ellipses, parabolas, hyperbolas, and the last one is degenerate cases, and usually known as the degenerate conics. So, titingnan natin ngayon ang bawat conic sections and how they are formed. So, here's our first figure. So, when the plane is horizontal, yan makita natin ang plane intersect the cone, and it is formed a conic section that is a circle. So, the upper part shows a circle. Okay, yan ang ma-form when the plane is horizontal as it intersect the cone. Okay, yan ang conic section natin. First is circle. Pangalawang figure natin. So, anong conic section na buo? So, when the tilted plane intersects only one cone to form a bounded curve. So, we have a close figure here. So, this is what we call the special circle. So, maaari din tawagin natin itong ellipse. So, yan ang ating conic sections. Sa pangatlong figure natin, we have the plane intersect only one cone to form the unbounded curve. So, ito yung ating conic section na buo. So, that is called the parabola. We have another figure here wherein the conic sections form. So, another type of conic sections form when the plane not necessarily vertical intersects both cones to form two unbounded curve. So meron tayong particular class of curve here that is opposite each other. So ang tinatawag niyang hyperbola. So this curve also known as the branch of the hyperbola. Meron tayong ibang pamamaraan for a plane and a cones to intersect. Ito ay tinatawag na degenerate conic sections or simply known as the degenerate conics. Okay, ang unang figure natin dito a point. Ibig sabihin nito, wherein a plane intersect the cone's vertex only. Yan ang ating vertex of the cone. Okay, another figure is the one line or also known as the single line. Ibig sabihin nito, plane tangent to cone. Okay, lastly for the degenerate conics is the intersecting line. So we have two lines intersecting each other. For our learning activity sheets here, so we have the last number 1, an overview of conic sections. So we are going to illustrate the different types of conic sections. So for A, what I have learned. So sagutan natin yan hanggang 1 to 7. So for letter B, name its conic sections being illustrated in its graph. And for our letter C, what's more? So given the crossword puzzle. Thanks for watching.